The Chief Justice once again cut a solitary figure as he addressed President Uhuru Kenyatta through the media months after a similar tiff over proposed judiciary budget cuts.
You also know that I have, for a long time now, unsuccessfully sought an appointment to discuss this issue with you, leaving me with no option but to raise the matter through this public statement.
The bone of contention now is the president's delay in appointing 41 persons nominated by the Judicial Service Commission in July last year to sit in the Court of Appeal, Employment and Labor Relations Court, as well as the Environment and Land Court, the head of state declining to appoint the 41 nominees, citing adverse reports from the National Intelligence Service NIS against some of them.
Some of the individuals the executive claims to have adverse information against are serving judges. If the executive's allegations are true, these persons should not then be serving as judges. However, no evidence whatsoever has been availed to the JSC, both during the interviewing process and after.
The High Court, in two petitions filed last year by David Maraga and Adrian Kamodo Njenga, ordered the president to appoint the 41 nominees within 14 days, insisting he had no constitutional mandate to question or reject names recommended to him by JSC. The president, in his response to the petitions, through head of public service Joseph Kinyua, argued that appointing some of the nominees would be contrary to principles of good governance, accountability and integrity.
The president cannot change the list, review it, or reject some names. He cannot decide to cherry-pick from the list of nominees.
The effect of the push and pull between the heads of the executive and judiciary is a backlog of cases. In the Environment and Land Court, there are 16,457 pending cases as at March this year that must be handled by 33 judges. The Employment and Labor Relations Court has 13,197 pending cases that must be dealt with by 12 judges. The Appellate Court has 7,315 unresolved cases as at the end of March, with 15 judges on the list.
The government cannot demand of its citizens the obedience of the law. It is itself disobeying with abandon.
The president, however, remains unmoved, holding that appointing judges with serious integrity issues would be irresponsible, citing the lengthy process of removing such judicial officers who enjoy security of tenure, an argument dismissed by the Law Society of Kenya.
We petition the National Assembly and the Senate to initiate proceedings for the impeachment of the President of the Republic of Kenya, because we cannot have somebody who has taken the oath to govern in tandem with the Constitution who fails to perform his duties under the Constitution.
The society is also targeting Attorney General Paul Kihara Kariuki and Solicitor General Ken Ogeto for removal from the role of advocates, accusing them of failing to advise the president accordingly. The Attorney General has filed notices of appeal on the two High Court orders, though Maraga sees it as a time-wasting gimmick. Francis Gashuri, Citizen TV.